Here we're told line segment AB has endpoints 1, 2, and -3, -2. Let's plot that. And they're telling us that this line segment was translated, and they want us to figure out what happened. How far did it move up or down? How far did it move to the left or right? They're telling us that A prime is -3, 5. So let's post that. So what we need to do is look at how far up and down did we go from point A to get to A prime. And so we went up 1, 2, 3. So we went +3, or you could say up 3. And we went to the left 1, 2, 3, 4. So we went -4, or to the left 4. So there's two ways you can write this translation. We can write up 3, to the left 4, or we could say, how did the x-coordinate change? Well, the x-coordinate is moving left to right, and we went to the left, which made it smaller. So our x-coordinate, we subtracted 4. And how did the y-coordinate change? Well, we moved up 3, the y-axis goes up and down, and moving up on the y-axis is like adding 3, it's getting bigger. So that's another way you could write that translation. You can also look at our x and y coordinates of our original point A and our new point A and think, how did they change? Let's do that. So with the x-coordinate, how did we get from 1 to -3? We could say 1 plus what is -3? And if we solve this for x, we would see that x is -4. 1 minus 4 gives us -3. And the same for the y-coordinate. How do we get from 2 to 5? It got bigger. You could probably see that. 2 plus what gives us 5? Well, if we subtract 2 from each side, we see that x is 3. 2 plus 3 gives us 5. So we are adding 3 to our y-coordinate. So that is another way that you could figure out how it was translated if you don't want to graph it. Now that we know that we're moving up 3 to the left 4, we can find our b coordinate. So we can do that by graphing up 3 to the left 4 to find our b coordinate right here. And we can then draw our line segment. Or we could do it by looking at our original coordinates and changing our x and y coordinate accordingly. So our original b coordinate is -3, -2. And then remember, how do we get to our b prime? We are subtracting 4 from our x-coordinate, and we're adding 3 to our y-coordinate. So -3 minus 4 is -7. That's our new x-coordinate. And -2 plus 3 is +1. Which, if you look at this point here, you see that we're going over -7 and up 1.